How to delete a Instagram account. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to your profile page. Click on three bars given at the top right corner. Now head over to the section Account Center. Click on this option Personal Details. Click on this option Account Ownership and Control. Now click on the option Deactivation or Deletion. Now click on your Instagram username. With that, you will be directed to this page. Now over here, you're gonna find two options, deactivate account and delete account. Deactivating your account is temporary. Deleting your account is permanent. Now select the option of your choice. I'm gonna select delete account. Now click on continue. Now select why do you want to delete your account. Then click on continue. Click on continue again. If you want to download your Instagram information, from here you can do that. Click on download info, or also you can transfer your information. Now click on continue. Now type in your password over here and then click on continue. Just for that, you have scheduled your account for deletion. After completion of 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. But during 30 days of period, you can provide your credentials and get access to your Instagram account. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.